Welcome. I request you to kindly introduce yourself first and tell us, as you know, both of us are also postgraduates from the same statistics department. Would like to hear from you, as long back you completed postgraduation in statistics. Please first introduce yourself briefly and tell us what are the education standard those days and what your batchmates are doing now.
So in the elementary college, the university departments were there in the last.
Can you please repeat again from beginning?
I am Bhaskar Rao. I completed my MSc Statistics from Elementary College, Cuttack in 1961.
That was University Department of Statistics.
In the University Department of Statistics. Statistics was the third department, University Department. First, the other two were Political Science and Geology. And we were not given any classrooms at all. Therefore, we were sent to before the Maidan.
Okay.
All the last was Political Science, then Gallery. Gallery is the Political Science department, then Statistics, then Geology. But the professor of Geology was Mr. Day, S.K. Day, who was a retired director of Geological Survey of India, a tall man. And for political science, Dr. K.V. Rao, who was then retired as Vice Chancellor, Banaras University. He was not only a delete from Utkal University, he was a contemporary of Sri Ramchandra Das. And our professor was revered Sadhu Charan Das.
Yes.
He was a mathematician, basically, got his aim from Australian National University and got the statistical training in the statistical Indian Statistical Research Institute, Calcutta. He was a student of Professor C.R. Rao. And after 1961, I joined as demonstrator in physics because I was a keen student of physics. Therefore, joined as a demonstrator in physics in the Vikramdev College, Jaipur.
Okay.
For about 8 months I worked. Then I got the call from Dr. Chakradhar Misra, who was also a co-paper setter along with my professor. My father was a professor of statistics, M. Surya Narayan.
Your father was professor of
Professor of
statistics?
mathematics. Professor of mathematics.
Which university?
University was in Odisha Education Service.
Oh,
He was Madras University first in 1932. And then I got into this Vikramdev College for about 6 to 8 months. Then Dr. Misra said, then why don't you send him to Bureau of Statistics, because that is the only avenue for our employment. Because lecture post was only in the university and no degree classes were there in the
Colleges.
Therefore, Professor I.S. Rao, who dropped from first batch and then got first class, I.S. Rao and A.K.P. Swine, they got first class in our batch. And all of us, we had four second classes. The rest 6 are third classes. The rest dropped because it was very difficult for us, because we didn't have proper coaching in statistics, because we don't know, when the professor doesn't know what type of questions will come, all these things. It was almost a premeditated stage. Therefore, we had to prepare ourselves. We got a number of books in the seminar, and we prepared ourselves.
Then you served how many years in Bureau?
I served for 2 years.
Then
Bureau.
Then I got myself selected as statistician in Directorate Marketing, which was subsequently merged with Register of Cooperative Societies. Register of Cooperative Societies doesn't have a qualified statistician. So then the registrar, Mr. B.P. Hadrat, said, you take care of cooperative statistics. Then there was not even a single brochure on cooperative statistics. Since I took over as cooperative statistics, I used to publish every year cooperative statistics. And then a decade of progress on cooperative statistics I published in 1970s. Then I retired as Deputy Director of Statistics in 1995.
1995.
I am now 87 years
what
old.
are your batchmates doing? Can
My
you briefly tell
batchmates,
us?
I could meet only Bhavan Prasad Mahanti, who was retired as Executive Director Lift Unit Corporation. I could meet only that gentleman. The rest, you don't know where they are.
How about your children?
I got only one son. He is senior scientist in Ministry of Environment and Forest, Climate Change, Government of India. He is at present posted as equal rank deputy director in Ranchi.
As you are our senior alumni, what message you would like to say to the youngsters, those who are doing statistics now?
Actually, the message I given as a presidential remark that we passed out from statistics department, but practically we are raw students in statistics. If anybody is asked to frame a survey, we are unable to find that, except that we do not have the practical acumen, and that practical knowledge can be got by sending some of the students to Indian Statistical Training Institute who acquire different techniques of crop survey and then designing the surveys. All these things they will get it, so that our statistics will be full-fledged, not only theoretical but also practical.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you,
giving.
sir.